Hey gentlemen, what's up? Today in this video we are going to discuss what is this thing called self-control and how you can develop control over your mind, your thoughts, your habits and the things that you do. So gentlemen, without any further ado, let's do this. Self-control is an ability by which your actions are not controlled by the feelings you are having in the given moment. That means you do not consume alcohol just because you are feeling like doing it. That means you do not end up spending 45 minutes to 1 hour on your phone when you just picked up the phone to check one single message while working. That means you do not shout at or fight with people just because you are angry. That means you do not end up eating junk food because you are having craving for it, and etc. Basically, having self-control means that you are not slave of your desires. So how to develop true self-control? First, get physically rid of things that distract you and hampers the control you have over yourself. For example, if you realize that you are wasting too much time on Instagram, then try uninstalling it for a few days. If you think that you are eating too much of junk food and processed food like cola, candy, chips, cheese and these sort of things, and all of these things are available at your home, then keep these things out of your regular reach, so that whenever you are having craving, you don't just go there and grab the thing to eat. Keep those things at such a place that it's always a struggle for you to get them and eat them. And if you have an habit of spending too much money on buying these things like junk food, processed food, then carry limited amount of money so that you cannot daily buy these things. If you're a person who is short-tempered and you want to work on it, then for starting, avoid all the circumstances that actually increase your temper. Don't do conversation that will raise anger in you. Don't go to people who generally offend you. Try to avoid these things so that your temper is not increased. The idea is to get physically rid of the temptations that are around you. And remember, these steps will be difficult in starting, but they will have a powerful impact on you if you do it properly. Second step, divert your mind, get busy. Now that you have removed all the physical distractions that were preventing you from executing proper self-control, you need to get busy with something else. You need to put your focus into some other work, because right now your mind will again and again drift back to those things. It will try to go back to those temptations. So you need to now focus your mind on some other work. Maybe it is doing exercise, maybe it's reading book, maybe it's doing some extra course. Whatever you do, divert your mind so that it does not go back to those things. The third step is track your progress. Now, when you will see yourself doing better work, when you will see a higher productivity, you will be motivated internally to do more of this. You'll be excited to see these changes in yourself, and you will strengthen the resistance you have developed towards your temptations. The fourth step is meditation. Yes, meditation is a very powerful exercise for your mind. By doing the previous discussed things, what you're doing is you're making your temptations unavailable to you so that you can focus better on your work, you can increase your productivity, and you can take a step towards improving your life. However, by meditating regularly, you strengthen your mind so much that even if your temptation is sitting right in front of you, you are not tempted enough to go and do that. Your actions are governed by your thoughts, and by meditating you get control over your thoughts. So that is how you regulate your actions and you develop self-control. The fifth point is be self-aware. True control can come when you are aware of what's going in your mind and body. You cannot change your habits in one day. However, when you are aware of your bad habits, when you are aware of your weaknesses, you can every day take few small steps so that over the time you develop true control over your mind and your body. Brother, when you master your thoughts and actions, you master your life. If you made till the end of the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because I make videos just like this every Saturday and you don't want to miss them. And remember, you are a king. Live your life like that. Done.